Good morning. For today's tech tip, we have received quite a few questions about how to sign PDFs digitally. And so I'm going to show you an easy way to do that directly from your Gmail, from your Google Chrome browser. And so first thing you need to do is pull up the document that you are asked to digitally sign. And for example, I'm going to show you how to do it on my weekly attendance summary report that I received from the attendance office. So the first thing you need to do is we hit open with. You'll notice that I have something called Docusign. If you don't have that on yours, the way you would get it is you'd go down to where it says connect more apps. Go up to where it says search apps. You can type in Docusign. And then you're going to hit the connect button to connect it on to your Google Chrome. And so now you can go up to where it says open with. You'll see DocuSign. Go and click on that. And it'll give you a series of pages that you have to allow and authorize DocuSign to do. Let's go ahead and click allow. And now you'll be presented with this window that says either sign in or sign up. So if this is your first time, you would hit sign up. You would do your first name, last name, the email that you would like on file for you. The country, hit activate. You'll be requested to confirm your email. So when you get the authorization email in your inbox, go ahead and hit activate. You will be asked to put in a password. Hit activate. And so now once you are good and signed in, if you go back to your inbox, you only have to do this once. Find your verification sheet. Open with DocuSign. You will at this point now sign in. You're going to go down to where it says sign a document, copy, and send a copy to others. So you can select only me because only you have to sign your verification sheets. You're going to hit continue. And now you have to sign and date these verification attendance sheets. So if you hit signature, scroll down, click on where you want that to go. It'll ask you how to do it, right? How you want to do it. This is exactly how I'm going to do mine. Adopt and sign, and now it's saved. So now you have your signature there, and you're going to date signed. It automatically gets it ready for you. And now you can go down and finish signing the rest of your document. And once you have all of your pages signed and dated, you're going to go down to where it says finish. You're going to go up here to where it says send by email. Make sure you log in. Allow. It automatically gets an email set up with your document already right there. Mine was to Becca Gorman. And once you're ready to go, all you have to do is hit send, and you are finished. And so I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I hope it helped. If you have any questions or any suggestions or recommendations for more of these tutorial videos, please reach out to Mr. Gomez or myself, and we'd be happy to do it. Thank you and have a great day.